the sound of the bell that we went to listen to the history of it and just have a look at all these places, guys. It looks so amazing. It's not good to stay in one place. Travel. tiny money. Just use it. Make use of it. Me, I'm scared of height too. Wait. I'm really scared of height. Pet City. We are in the Pet City.
It makes sense.
It makes sense. So, past Adelaide.
Adelaide is busy.
No, this is it.
Yeah.
It's not that bad. Yes, it's bad. The one that they think.
Yeah, it's not. How we go? That's all we hope for. This one is in lake. I think it's lake.
We are seeing beach, we are seeing beach.
Is this sea? I'm looking for the waves.
I'm scared of heights. Seems like a beautiful
Height
view.
is not my friend. I don't even want to look down.
Beautiful view.
Perth is a beautiful place to be.
Come on see this
Me, I'm scared of height too. What's that?
rooftop
I'm scared of my phone dropping.
Oh my god.
I'm scared of my phone dropping.
Guys, this is an incredible. I was once, you can see, with this tall building, people are enjoying a pool there. So this is a very beautiful place to be.
I'm really scared of heights.
I'm telling you, I don't want to even look. Hey, me, Nalayo, now form of the form. So as you can see, this is a whole lot of the view in Pet City. I'm looking for a good place to be. So this is all.
You can go, huh?
The height is really scary. I'm really scared of the heights. And other people are enjoying. You guys see swimming pool and other things. But when I've not been to other cities in Australia. I think apart from Adelaide, this is my second time traveling to different states. This is
Canberra.
I've been to Canberra, but we didn't go. We didn't really walk around to see what is in the pets because my baby was too small at that time. So I'm really glad that I came for this trip and also to come and see a beautiful city in Perth. We don't do shift. Now we are here to see another place, another beautiful place, guys. I'm so glad that I came. It's a beautiful place, and like I said, I'm just scared of heights. Look at the way I'm walking. I don't want to look at the floor. Away. I can't do it. Daddy,